pressed the button for the 8th floor and waited, alone in the humming elevator at midnight. The doors slid shut, but instead of moving, the panel flickered. A new button appeared beneath the others. 30. I stared. Our building only had 12 floors. I laughed, shaky, telling myself it was a prank. Still, my finger hovered, curiosity winning over reason. I pressed 13. The elevator lurched, descending instead of climbing. The lights dimmed. My reflection in the mirrored walls grew pale, distorted, the hum deepening into a guttural groan. The doors finally opened onto a hallway shrouded in darkness. Cold, damp air spilled in, thick with the scent of earth and decay. Something shifted in the shadows, whispering my name. I stumbled back, jamming the close button, but the doors wouldn't budge. I turned to the panel. Every button was gone except 13, glowing red. The whispers grew louder, closer, promising I'd never leave. As skeletal hands pulled me into the black, the elevator doors slid shut, the 13 button vanishing from the panel. When the next rider entered, the elevator was empty.